Friends, in this video, I will show how to install Windows 10 with a bootable USB pen drive. I set up Windows in this Dell brand computer. You can apply this for all brand desktop or laptop computers. At first, we need to restart our PC. This is a bootable USB pen drive for the setup of Windows 10. Now restart your computer. Computer restarting. Press ESC, and after this press F12 key for boot options. We can see our bootable USB disk or pen drive. Now, press Enter to start the Windows setup. Then we can see the below dialog box, and click on Next. Click Install now, and setup will start. Accept the license agreement, and click on Next. Now, click on Custom Windows Install Options. Step-by-step delete System and Reserved Partition, and after this delete Primary Partition C to set up a fresh window. Again create a new Partition C to install Windows. Partition C is created. Now select this partition, and click on Next, for the final Windows setup process. Windows installation setup is started. Please wait until finished. Friends, remember, this Windows setup time depends on your computer configuration, HDD, SSD, RAM, processor, etc. After finish, your PC will restart automatically. Windows All service will start. Gettings device ready. Wait just a moment for finish. Follow the below steps, as per this video tutorial, for setup complete. Type user ID and password. Retype your password. Submit answers below 3 security questions. Very simple, you can type A, B, C, etc. After this, click on Next to finish. Accept all options. Windows setup done. If you have any questions, please type me in the comment box. After setup Windows, you can install application software, as per your requirements. You can install any version of Windows in the same way. If you face any difficulties, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.